I don't know the premium Eat Cheese Hail Satan shirt details of Monero, but I think there is something like a key you can share to prove the balance of an address. In this case, it probably doesn't matter. Almost nobody is going to send funds and hackers aren't exactly reliable anyway. They didn't. Premium Eat Cheese Hail Satan shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Worth noting they Premium Eat Cheese Hail Satan shirts likely use the same wallet for whatever reason given. One address starts with 4, main address, and the other 8, sub-address, which may make it impossible anyway to determine which money went to what address. Not sure what other products. Funny Balin Levine merch Never Grow Up shirt, and NBSP.